Okay. Let's see what I can do here. Use my bench power supply. Come in there, turn that on. Oh wow, it's already at 5 volts. So cool. 5 volts. 5 volts is, nope, you're not 5 volts. You're 5 volts. You know what? Actually, what I'm going to do here, pardon me as I shake everything around, put my glasses on. I'm going to disconnect 5 volts from here. And I'm going to plug it in here. And I got my multimeter set at the volts. And I got it hooked to the rails. So when I plug that thing in, the 5 volts, I should be seeing about 3.3 volts on the rails. Alright, here we go. Time to let the smoke out. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but I got a little red light showing up on the ESP. And it shows 3.27. Not quite, slightly under 3. One, no. Anyway, it's holding it there, and it's showing that I'm pulling 31 milliamps of the power supply. That looks good. I didn't notice if I had got any couple little blue flickers before. No, I don't see any blue flickers. Just a red light coming on. Okay, next thing. USB. We'll plug in this. So what do I have here? I have only 3 wires coming out. I have RX, TX, and ground. That's all I got hooked up on here. Let's see. And that's all lighting up. I didn't notice if I had any blue flicker then, showing 3 milliamps at 4.7 volts. Don't know if you can see that or not. Wonder if I hit reset if I see a little blue flash. No. Don't see any blue flashes. Unplug. Oh, it flashed blue twice in a row. Whoa, that's a very good sign. Alright. Now, it couldn't actually be working. We got 3.2 volts holding steady. It's not dropping down like it was before. Regulator's not hot. Not at all. Well, this is a new unit too. I mean, the other two units I had could possibly have been defective. I've wired this up the same way, except that I've really mechanically, when I soldered these bent leads so I could put it on a breadboard, is the most mechanical way I think I've come up with securing one of these units. I've definitely got the horsepower to power it, and it's not taking it. It's only using 72 milliamps. Seems to go from 72 to 32 or something for some reason. Alright, I guess now we ought to try bringing up a terminal and see what happens. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, cool term. This is a serial monitor that I downloaded, reading all the stuff about these ESP chips, and someone recommended this one, so I downloaded it. I've been trying using the Arduino one, and I'm not really having success. I did get it to um, throw some. It looked like programming information out of it, like rooms or doors or something like that. It said. I mean, you could actually read it. It wasn't total gibberish, but it's all I've been able to get it to do. Connect. Says we're connected. So we go AT. Well, okay. If I'm not mistaken, I just talked to it, and it just talked back to me. Wow. Wrong syntax error. Ooh. How about AT plus reset? Whoa. 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 I've never had it do this before. It just sent me its version number. I just said to reset it and reset and sent me a version number. I think this thing's working. What's that one for? CW mode. Something like that. AT plus CW mode equals 3. Oh, already was. AT plus CW MODE question mark. I think this should tell me my state. It says I'm in mode 3. Okay. Wow. Okay. AT plus CW locate access point. Now I should have my internet router, which is a number, and I should have my private router for my experimentation, which I've set up with the name of homestead.net. And they're both on. Whoa, homestead.net. It's recognized my router. Holy you know what, Batman. I think I've got a working unit. Let's not repeat ourselves. I've been messing around with this for like 2-3 months. I'm really about ready to take them all and throw them in the trash. And I've finally gotten one to talk to me. Wow. Holy mackerel. This is so cool. Okay. Over and out.